Sir Solomon, ano lang po masasabi niyo sa championship?
Actually, we're very happy na napanalo na namin tong championship na to. We are pioneer team since 2018. Ngayon pa lang po kami nag-champion. Siyempre, special thanks to our governor, our team owner, Gov. El Rey Villafuerte, and also kina Kong Migs Villafuerte and Kong Luigi Villafuerte na sila pong mag-aama talaga ang may-ari ng Camsur Express. Kung hindi naman po sa suporta nila, wala naman po ang Camsur Express. And also to the road to the championship, ito po ang pinakamahirap sa lahat na sa history ng NBL. Bakit po? Unang-una, number 2 seed lang kami sa kabilang bracket. Ang kalaban namin sa crossover is the Powerhouse Taguig. We were down 0-1. Akala namin talo na kami. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds, we are down by 7 points, 87 to 80. Last 38 seconds, we were down by 5 points. Still, a Hail Mary win for us. Nanalo po kami. Nag-advance po kami to the finals. Then pagdating naman po sa finals, we were down by 1-0-1. Then 1-2. Then na-level namin sa series, 2-2. Then before start of the fourth quarter, we were down by 3 points. And again, a Hail Mary win for us. I think nakatadhana po talaga kaming Camsur Express na mag-champion, and thank you to the Lord. Kung hindi po dahil sa Kanya, hindi naman po mangyayari to. So, kumbaga talagang in God's will talaga ang pangyayaring po to. Kaya thank you very much NBL at sa lahat ng mga fans, sa mga coming from the Camsur, Bicol region, sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you very much po sa inyong suporta. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po magiging ganito ang Camsur Express.